Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Tableau to AWS S3 step by step clearly. Open Tableau desktop. From the start page, click on the Connect pane. Select More under the Connect section. In the list of available connectors, find and select Amazon S3. You will be prompted to enter your AWS credentials. Input your access key ID and secret access key. Choose the appropriate region where your S3 bucket is located. Click Sign In to establish the connection. Once connected, you will be presented with a dialog to enter your S3 bucket details. Type in the name of your S3 bucket. Click Connect. Tableau will display the contents of your S3 bucket. Select the file you wish to analyze. Click Open to load the data into Tableau. Wait for Tableau to extract the data from the selected file. Once the data is loaded, click Sheet 1 to begin your analysis. Take a moment to review the data fields available on the left sidebar. Drag and drop the relevant fields into the rows and columns shelves to start creating your visualization. Explore different charts and dashboards based on your data requirements. Save your Tableau workbook to preserve your work. You have successfully connected Tableau to AWS S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.